Hi everyone, we made it to the end of week 3, session 5 of your Dawn Patrol sessions. Congrats to you. You are 15 days in of January, and I'm really proud of you. All right, we're gonna start today in a standing place. So open up your legs nice and wide. Good, inhale your arms up into the air. Move your hips a little bit left to right. So stretch for me from side to side. One more big breath in. Exhale, release your hands down. Good. Now we're going to move into a pose called Skandasana. It's also known as a groin stretch, single leg hamstring stretch. So move to one side. Bend the knee. Good. Exhale to the other side. Same thing. Bend the knee. Good. Now back to the initial side. Exhale, stay here. Option 1. Option 2, get closer to the ground. Option 3, look, I'm on the toe or heel of my straight leg. I'm going to try to drop this bottom heel as my hands come to my heart. And this might be like, whoa, Marissa, it's a little too far. So stay up on the ball of the foot if you want. Stay up higher if you want, all right? If you're comfortable down here with me, you can walk your hands out. You can walk your hands even towards your straight leg. 3, 2, exhale, wide-legged forward fold for a hot second. So come through center, lower your head down, and then bone by bone, stand up. Good. All right. Let's do it on the other side. Bend your knee. So option 1, stay. Option 2, hands. Option 3, heel is up, toes are up, or watch my right heel, drop it down. Hands to my heart for balance. Hands towards the leg, it's up to you. And listen, when I first started this pose, there was no way I was dropping the heel of my bent knee. So it just takes time and practice and flexibility and mobility in your feet, which I've talked about a lot. Also have some yoga for your feet videos on my channel, so feel free to check those out. Take one more full breath in. Exhale, pivot through center, push, and fold. Good. Bone by bone, stand it up, bend your knees a little bit, all the way to the top. Nice. Heel toe those feet together. Shake it out. Right foot, left foot. All right. Bring it on down to seated. So we've done a lot of standing stuff this week, which has been great, but it definitely makes things harder. Your heart rate will come up a little bit. Pull the right knee to your chest. Step it over, and now twist to the right. Good. Maybe you got your cozy clothes on. I got my cozy sweatshirt on today. Just trying to feel good and relaxed. Rotate, rotate. Good. Exhale, come forward. You're going to take the bottom of the right foot into your hands and then push it out in front of you. 3. We worked on our hamstrings the other day. You might feel like you got a little bit more space. 2. Exhale, bend. Switch. Leg goes out. Good. Left knee bends in. Oops, let's twist first. Cross it over. And then twist. So you can keep the arm over here or take the tricep to cross. 3, 2. Good. Now take the bottom of the foot with me. I was rushing you before. I apologize. And then exhale, lift the leg up. Stretch it high. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Good. Let your feet come together. Let your knees fall apart. And then kind of like just flap your knees for a second. Good. Now lift up your cheeks like you're walking on your butt. Walk your butt backwards. Good. Sit up really, really tall. Inhale. Exhale, hinge and fold. Now you can hold your feet, or maybe those arms extend. Bound angle, Baddha Konasana. 3, 2. Exhale, peace sign fingers to your big toes. So make peace signs. Loop your big toes, heel, heel. Right knee inside of right arm, left knee inside of left arm. Stay right here, balance on your booty, or maybe extend your feet out. 3, 2, if this is easy, open your feet wide like that supine wide-legged straddle we took. Bring it back. See if you can bring it all the way back to where we came from. And then back into your fold. Good. 3. Low back rest down. 2. Close your eyes. And 1. Nice. Exhale. I'm going to go ahead and bring you forward. So cross your shins. Now try to push forward onto those hands and knees. Take your right foot back. Extend through the back of the right foot. Good. Exhale, switch left side. Good. Exhale, bring your hands up to your hips. Place your hands on your low back. We did a little back bending the other day. So here I just want you to inhale, open up the heart a little bit. 3, holding on to the lumbar spine. Don't go too deep. This is it. 2. Exhale, pick up the head, neck, and shoulders. It's called camel. Soften right here. Stay upright. Good. Exhale, untuck your toes this time. Sit back on untucked toes. Place your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Just sit with yourself. Notice how you feel after 3 weeks of movement. I hope your body still continues to feel well, gets better, and that you feel like you're learning something along the way and progressing your body into a more flexible version of you. Hands to heart center for me, guys. Exhale, namaste. Beautiful job, 3 weeks in. I'll see you next week for week 4 of Dawn Patrol. Nice work.